Hello and welcome to Caldera Creative Creation. This is the channel where I make wreaths for holidays. Let's get this started. Thanks for coming to my channel. We are working on a beauty. We got some poinsettias going on. We got a little ice skating. We got one little fancy. We got a checkered poinsettia. We also got some of these bindings I found in the famous thrift stores. We are also working with some eucalyptus and my beautiful Wreath. Okay, first things first. Let's get this poinsettias in there. How's everybody doing today? I am doing great. Just to be here with you guys. Whew. I was just starting over and over on a Wreath, trying to get it, but I got it. Okay, and then we'll put another poinsettia down in here. Then we're going to get this one right here. I'm just going fast. This is a quick one. Then we're going to get Mr. Ice Cream. Ice cream. Ice skating. Escape. A Christmas. Ice skate. Where did I come up with that? Then we're going to get this beautiful bulb. Other day I was thrifting and I seen this bag. It was like $6 and was how much off? I think 25% off. And I found all these lovelies in there. Except this one kept for 99 cents. Okay, and then we're gonna remove this in here so it could kind of, balance the color out. Then we're gonna get wild with the let's just go to town all up in here. There we go. Let's get some greenery. Greenery still Christmas still has greenery. So let's just fill this up and make it look beautiful. Thank you for the views of my other Christmas wreath. I get some real sparkly on this time. Something different, but hey. A jingle bells, a jingle all the way. Hey, hey!